Good night from my country, Indonesia, brother and sister. Let me present my article with Ms. Rizky Wardani, which title The Significant Contribution of Lecturer Competence in Delivering Project-Based Learning on the Student Religious Moderation through Religion Education. The Indonesian government, through the Ministry of Religion, is concerned regarding the result of research conducted by the Setara Institute in 2020, which found facts about widespread attitude of intolerance and radicalism among the students. The government, through the Ministry of Religion, has declared the importance of religious moderation. According to Professor Askal, religious moderation is a perspective, attitude, and behavior to always take a position in the middle, always act fairly, balanced, and not extreme in religious practice. According to the Ministry of Religion, religious moderation is a joint commitment to maintain perfect balance, where every member of society, regardless of race, ethnicity, culture, religion, and political preferences, must be willing to listen to each other and learn to train each other abilities. Lecturer competent. Michael Swell defined competencies as the enduring traits and characteristics that determine performance. Examples of competencies are initiative, influence, teamwork, innovation, and strategic thinking. Susilo defined competence as a person's ability to achieve, consisting of 9 competency elements: imagination, knowledge, experience, emotion, passion, characters, attitude, skill, and health. When combined, the initial letter of each word become I keep cash. Lecturer competent, according to Stephen and Mary Ann, it implies that competence consists of several characteristics. First, skill, which refers to a person's expertise in carrying out activities. Second, knowledge, refers to information obtained based on experience and type of practical knowledge, other academic and learning outcomes. Third, talent is a natural innate talent, as explained by Stephen and Mary Ann, is a natural talent that helps employees learn specific tasks quickly and carry them out well. Fourth, values that refer to self-attitude, people-pleasing attitude, caring attitude to others, responsible attitude, and one's image. Fifth, director, refer to activities to provide guidance, good instruction for students, and make improvement to results that have not been achieved. And six, personal characteristic, refer to physical characteristic and consistency of situation or information. Religion education. The implication is that the education system at the basic education level in Indonesia must continue to develop the values of faith and religious morality in various aspects of its policies, so that religion education can be implemented seriously and responsibility. First, are devoted to the Almighty God and able to show his religious attitude. Second, upholding human values in carrying out duties based on religion, ethics, and morals. Third, acting as a proud citizen, loving his homeland, having nationalism, and a sense of responsibility to the state and nation. Fourth, respect the diversity of culture, views, religion, and beliefs, as well as the opinion of other people. Fifth, demonstrate a responsible attitude toward work in their field of expertise independently. Method. This research used a simple quantitative method with the aim of examining how significant the contribution of the lecturer competent in delivering project-based learning is on the religion education to build religious moderation spirit of the students. The reachable population in this research were 150 students at Bina Nusantara University, Jakarta, who were research students as the sample frame. The data was analyzed using path analysis with the help of the SPSS 22 software program. Path analysis was intentionally used to determine the magnitude of the contribution of lecturer competent on religion education to build religious moderation spirit of the students. Result. Table 1, descriptive statistic. And from table 1 to show the validity result of using the parametric statistics such as path analysis require three things to be fulfilled. Namely, the data has a normal distribution, linear regression, and significant regression as described below. Table 2, test of normality. From the table 2 above, the result of test normality, it is known that the two variables are normally distributed because the significant value in the Kolmogorov-Smirnov column is greater than 0.050, such as X lecturer competent is 0.200 and Y religion education is 0.200. Table 3, ANOVA table. From table 3 above, the deviation from linearity's significant value is obtained of 0.607 is greater than 0.05. So it can be concluded that there is a significant linear relationship between independent variable X and dependent variable Y. And the table ANOVA in table 4 and table 5, table coefficient like that. And based on the table 5 above, as the result of the data processing, a structural equation can be made as follows. The equation showed that the magnitude of the direct influence of lecturer competent in delivering problem-based learning, X, on religion education to build religious moderation spirit of the student, Y, with a coefficient of 0.996, it means that lecturer competent independent variable influence 99.6% on the religion education and only 0.4% was influenced by other variable which were not discussed in this study. Discussion. The significant contribution of lecturer competent on the religion education to build religious moderation spirit of the student, which reached 99.6%, is understandable because without the competence of lecturer in delivering project-based learning, religious education to build a spirit of religious moderation in student will not happen. Second, this result of this research are in line with the finding of P. Munte, who stated that there is a significant effect between the professional competency of Christian religious education teachers in strengthening student affective values in class 9 of SMP Negeri 1 Pematang Siantar, North Sumatra, Indonesia. Likewise, the result research which conducted by Noh Ibrahim et al. Showed that the personal competence of the teacher of Christian religion education affected the motivation to learn in student high school in South Tangerang, Banten, Indonesia. The research result of Norma Fitria also showed that lecturer competence has a big influence on accountability of management of Islamic religious higher education. The pedagogic competence of Islamic religious college lecturer has a positive effect on the accountability of Islamic religious college management. Research conducted by Yudanata Saputra also showed the result that the competence of the PAK teacher, Pendidikan Agama Kristen, has an influence in overcoming problematic student learning behavior by 64.9% on student learning motivation. So, even though their research settings are different, the results support for the result of this research that they are the significant contribution of lecturer competence in applying project-based learning to religious education in order to build a spirit of religious moderation for students. Conclusion. The research results showed the significant contribution of lecturer competence in delivering project-based learning on the religion education to build religious moderation of the student, 99.6%. So, the higher level of lecturer competency in delivering project-based learning, the higher contribution of lecturer who teach religion education to build the spirit of religious moderation for the student, vice versa. Recommendation: project-based learning is important for lecturers who teach religion education. Apart from that, it is also necessary for lecturers to understanding the urgency and relevance of religion education, which must be directed to build the spirit of religious moderation for the student. It is the references. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Arkadiusz, for
It's
representing.